picture that I'm looking at right now. It's not the one she painted when we met. Now all I have is gone and I'm needing to move on, but the reason to just hasn't hit me yet. Only quit knocking on my door, saying this don't follow me around. You're always by my side, watching every tear I cry. Only quit knocking on my door. My world locked out the moment that she left. She slammed the door and didn't say a word. And even up in one thunder lightning and it goes, and that's still the loudest sound I've ever heard. Quit knocking on my door, saying this don't follow me around. You're always by my side, watching every tear I cry. Only quit knocking on my door. Main trip home, so we won. It's time for life and nothing's left to fear. He's something like a key and it's just the same as me, but a different kind